Have a neat little tube lock made by Age. Japanese lock. It's basically a Wise Lock copy, but Wise Lock never made them this small. You can see the individual tubes in there. Opens either way. You can see a little bit of, yeah, you can see them all actually. Outer, inner, middle. And they match what's in here. So how you tension it is, if it were in use, which we don't do, but if it were in use, it'd be a lot easier. This, I guess the shackle portion would be held by something, securing something, and you could just hold on to this part and apply tension while you're pushing them in. But since that's not what we do, I kind of hold it like this. Start from the outside. See if we got anything there. This middle one's pretty thin, so it's kind of a pain to get. There we go. There we go. Cool little padlock.